A bright kitchen buzzes to life as ingredients rain onto the counter, while the title 30 seconds to delicious appears and a whoosh cue punctuates the drop. In brisk fast cuts a 4-ingredient chive garlic polenta bites mix fry plate, and a glossy herb oil drizzle shows glossy texture and molten cheese as the sizzling sound fills the air. Hands flip, slice, and plate with exaggerated confident motions, while captions pop step 1 prep step 2 fry step 3 plate and done. Steam wafts from the finished bite as a cinematic zoom and sparkles crown the dish. Would you try this quick bite and subscribe for daily quick bites, always 30 seconds max?